Yes.
Okay, one thing you like as
Take 3.
one thing you like on test campus, one thing you don't.
I like the campus. I like all the trees and the birds in the morning or how they chirp and all. And what I don't like is the heat. I hate Mumbai heat.
Okay, Costo, one thing you like about this, one thing you don't like about this.
वन थिंग आई लाइक अबाउट दिस वुड बी द एनवायरनमेंट. मतलब यहाँ पे पेड़ पौधे हैं, सब चीज़ें अच्छी है. एंड वन थिंग आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट दिस वुड बी 75% अटेंडेंस. थोड़ा सा अटेंडेंस क्राइटेरिया कम होना चाहिए था. एंड थैंक यू.
Okay, thank you. Hi Almas, one thing you like about this, one thing you don't like about this.
Okay, one thing I like about this is that all the people you will meet here are very nice and supportive. They're helpful. So even if you don't know them, even if they're from master's courses or something, there's no gap that you'll see, and you're not gonna be treated like, you know, you're juniors, you're sidelined or something. And the campus is very lively at all times. So yeah, one thing I don't like about this is the dogs, because I'm not an animal person and I don't like dogs, but you're gonna find them on campus all the time.
Okay, Anshu, one thing you like about this, one thing you don't like about this.
Okay, one thing I like about this is one thing that I like about this is it teaches you many things, be it academics or life lessons. And one thing I don't like about this is you don't get time for yourself.
Okay, Shri, tell me one thing that you like about this and one thing that you do not like about this.
So the one thing I like about this would be the people, and one thing I dislike about this would be that it's in Mumbai, you can't travel, and it's freaking hot.
Madhur, one thing you like about this, one thing you don't like about this.
Well, the campus, I would say, campus is beautiful, very refreshing. And one thing I don't like about this would be sometimes it's really stinky at some places in the campus. It disrupts the beautiful nature walk.
Fair. Okay, Anaga, one thing you like about this, one thing you don't like about this.
One thing I like about this is that it's in Mumbai and so I'm at home. And one thing I don't like about this is that it is in Mumbai, so I got to travel by trains, and it's not a pleasant experience. Yeah.
Okay, Charu, Amrita, one thing you like about this, one thing you don't like about this.
One thing I like about this is the freedom that you get here. You can literally do anything you want. You can organize if you want to an event or get together, anything. You have a lot of freedom to do a lot of things here.
Adding on to that, there are cats, dogs, monkeys. I love animals. If you love animals, the campus is great for you. And what else?
One thing I don't like about this is the early morning classes and also the late in the evening classes.
What I don't like about this is there's too many masters ke people, which is the second bachelor's batch. There's too less of the bachelor's people. So
Too less of a young blood in the campus. We need more young blood.
Please.
Pranav, one thing you like about this, one thing you don't like about this.
वन थिंग आई लाइक अबाउट दिस इज़ बहुत सारा काम है करने को. और वन थिंग आई डिसलाइक अबाउट दिस इज़ बहुत सारा काम है करने को.
Alok bhai, one thing you don't like about this, one thing you like about this.
There is no one thing I like about this. There is more than one.
Okay.
So in TIS was previously a masters based university. Okay, so the masters and PhD scholars here, you get so much experience and insights from them which may help you in your career moving forward. One thing I don't like about this is you will not find any proper power structure or something like. You will see that this guy is in power or this guy is in authority, so I must contact him. Like there is so much diversification, you will not really know who is running this. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Astha, one thing you like about this, one thing you don't like about this.
One thing I like is that people are pretty nice. Like there's a lot of diversity and all, but most of the time people don't get divided over it, and people are even if people don't know you that well, they're very very nice, very considerate most of the time. And then one thing I don't like is that when they notify you about classes and the schedule very late, they'll change the schedule and stuff, and not really communicate with you about it that well. They'll communicate a bit too late and stuff.
Okay, Sanket, one thing you like about this, one thing you don't like about this.
The one thing that I like about this is the green cover area, the trees and the everything. मतलब क्या हरियाली रहती है यहाँ पे, मज़े आ जाते हैं घूम के. रात में निकलो, ठंडी ठंडी हवा खाओ, मज़े से घूमो. And the thing that I don't like about this is they're not having even a single playground. खेलेंगे कहाँ पे बच्चे? अगर पढ़ेंगे, पढ़ते पढ़ते पक जाएंगे तो खेलेंगे कहाँ पे? That's the thing that I like and dislike about the this.